Welcome to the Great Shield Investing channel. My name is Akin Famar, and I'm really excited and happy to be here today and to share with you, my friends, um, a short video and some useful information. Um, we've been going through serious situation. We know what we've been going through in the United States and all around the world. But in this time that we're going through all these, we just have to be very calm and also, you know, look out for each other and be able to share useful information uh, with one another. So today I'm sharing some information about some opportunities that has presented itself in the crypto market and in the stock market at the same time. So, if you please, subscribe to my channel, the Great Shield Investing channel, and also share this video with your friends and subscribe also, and also hit the like button down at the bottom. And this is my website, thegreatshield.org. So let's get into it. I just wanted to put this out there. This is a disclaimer. This is just informational and educational video. This is not a financial advice. So please do your own due diligence, do more research, and try to be comfortable with what you're investing your money into. But today, just like I've always shared in my past videos, uh, my apologies to my fans. It's been a while. I recorded a video and shared videos. I've been so busy and have some other projects that has been actually taking my time, so I've not been able to record and share videos in a while. But today, I just wanted to share a short video, just record a short video and share with you. And just for you to know that with this economy downtown going on due to this, pandemic that we're going through in America and around the globe, there are still opportunities that are out there that you can take advantage of and just be very smart as you make decisions. So we've seen that in the stock market in America here, the Dow Jones dropped from like almost 30,000 to a low of like around 18,000, 19,000 dollars, and we're hovering around 20, 21,000 right now. I believe this is due to the situation where this global crisis is affecting a lot of businesses. We've had a lot of businesses been shut down due to the stay-at-home policy that has been put in place. So, and I believe this is still going to happen for the next 2 or 3 months. Businesses are going to take a while before they pick up, and this will affect a lot of their earnings report. The bottom line, results will be greatly affected in the next 2 to 3 months, and when they release their earnings report in the next quarter. So I'm not saying or I'm not advising financial advice. This is not what I'm doing, but be smart with how you invest in the market, because I believe there's still going to be more opportunities down the next couple of weeks, if not months. So what I'm doing is, for those that have the opportunity or the advantage of having some cash on the side, it's always good to diversify. Diversify. It's not only in the stock market, but you need to diversify in other assets as well. Real estate is another opportunity. Crypto market is another opportunity. Just make sure you're able to diversify the portfolios and spread it all out so that you can leverage if one of those assets goes down. The other side you can leverage on the upside. So cryptocurrency is another asset that I'm heavily involved in, and XRP is one of my top assets that I invest in. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I have a lot of other altcoins apart from Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, but I'm heavily invested in XRP, uh, which is the number three asset on the listing of cryptocurrency globally. If you go on Coin Paprika or Coin Market Cap, you will see the listings from number one, Bitcoin being number one, Ethereum being number two, and um, XRP being number three. So I would share this quick article and talk about it and see the opportunity that is presenting itself right now, even in this problem we're going through. So this is an article that was published yesterday. It says Crypto Week in Review. Stimulus bill ignites the debate over digital dollars. And this is an article that came about due to the stimulus package that the Trump administration is putting out there to give about 2.2 trillion dollars has been passed by the House, and this will put money in the pockets of a lot of Americans that qualify, that are in that qualification bracket. So if you take a look at this article, before I go into the article, I just wanted to show you this is Coin Paprika, Bitcoin being number one, Ethereum number two, and XRP number three, and this is the price at which they are trading right now. So in the last 7 days, XRP has been up for about 12.2%. 7 days, Bitcoin about 1.4%, and Ethereum the same as 1.4. So I'm invested in a handful of all these, but XRP is my biggest bag, my biggest portfolio. So if you can, as you can see, XRP in the last 1 hour, in the last 24 hours, the current price is around 17 cents, which is not bad at all. It came down it came down as low as 11 cents in a couple of days ago, and I think it's rebounding back. So this is a great opportunity presenting itself right now. So guys, do your own research and see the opportunity you can take advantage of right here. I'm not saying you should invest in all these altcoins that are listed here, but I have a couple of altcoins here that I know I know about the project very well. I know the technology, and I know what the utility that they can be used for, or they are being used for currently. Chainlink is a good one. Cardano, Stellar, EOS, Binance Coin. So a couple of those have good project behind them. So I just wanted to show you. But XRP, I'm a big fan of that, and I'm heavily invested. So back to the article right here. So the real information I want to share here is amongst in the bill that was just passed, the stimulus package, which is about $2.2 trillion that was just passed. There is a section in there where initially the bill has a section where they talk about digital dollar, America creating a digital dollar, digital wallets, and being able to use that to give money to Americans. So if you take a look at this, so this is the piece I want to share: digital dollar for stimulus package, which on Wednesday was just passed for about $2 trillion on the relief stimulus package, which says about 1,200 will be given to qualifying Americans. And within the bill, there was a conversation about how the House and they mentioned in the bill that they can circulate or give the money through the use of digital dollar, and that was part of the early version. But at the end of it, it was taken out of it. So there was a speculation that U.S. government is like joining the ranks of China, Sweden, in the race to create a central bank digital currency, which is called CBDCs. So China, Sweden, and a couple of European countries have been planning and working on creating their own digital currency, which is it's called the central bank digital currency. And since that was mentioned in the bill, so that gives us an indication that US is also thinking about it. But in the final version, lawmakers excluded the digital dollar aspect. They took that out of the bill and instead announced plans to make direct deposits into bank accounts that people used to receive their tax returns in 2018 and 2019. And for those without bank accounts, a direct deposit, a check will be sent to the mail. But you just take a step back. I still believe this is, a very tedious process. We're talking about the year 2020. Technology has advanced greatly. We have blockchain technology. We're moving into the digital age, and our government are still talking about sending checks in the mail, trying to deposit into bank accounts. that's a tedious and rigorous process. I believe this age everybody's going digital. We have cryptocurrencies that have digital wallets. A lot of us that own some of this, digital asset. We have, different wallets digitally where we store. There is cold wallet, there are online exchange wallets, and there are cold storage wallet where you can physically own your own wallet and transfer your assets into it. So I believe that's the future. And if you can read between the lines, guys, that's the future. These will probably go away in the future, sending checks and things like that. And people can, folks and people can receive money immediately into their digital wallets, just like the way most of these cryptocurrencies can be transferred, like within a few seconds. XRP being one of those, you can send XRP international cross-border to cross-border within 3 to 5 seconds, and boom, it's already there. Just like when you send an email, it takes a few seconds and the email goes directly to the recipient. That's the same way money will be moved in the future, and XRP is leading that. So guys, I just wanted to let you know that this is coming, and it's coming pretty fast. And another piece here is 1 in 4 trading firms have adopted crypto. And what does that mean? We know a lot about all these exchange and trading firms. We know different online trading firms. We know about TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Fidelity. These are big names. And in some way, they've already adopted cryptocurrencies. They have their own platform. Fidelity has, digital platform for Fidelity. TD Ameritrade has the same. And these are big trading exchange firms. I'm not talking about, smaller firms. Voyager, which is another big trading exchange platform. Voyager just converted Circle. I have a Circle account, which is a cryptocurrency exchange or trading platform. So Voyager has acquired that, and they've, converted Circle also into Voyager. This is huge, guys. It's happening right in in our face right now. So don't feel like this is scam. Digital or cryptocurrency is not scam. You need to get ready for what's coming, and don't be surprised in the next 2 to 5 years that all this will be what's happening in our daily lives, and it's going to be mainstream. So you need to get ready. Educate yourself, get more information around digital assets, crypto assets, blockchain technology, digital wallets, and get familiar with some of this technology advancement. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And if you go down this article, also these are top 50 cities with the most crypto owners per capita. We know that San Francisco, California is leading that list. Is on top of the list. San Francisco took the crown for the highest number of total owners, and is also home to the wealthiest of the crypto community. Well, guys, this is the future. Get ready. Get used to digital assets, digital money. Go on coinpaprika.com or coinmarketcap.com. Just get familiar with some of these assets and see how they've been trading. XRP, I'm a believer in XRP, and I believe the price that we're seeing here at 17 cents will be, like I wish I entered this low a year from now. For some of us that have been investing in XRP for the last, from 2017 was the first time I got into this. So for the last 2 to 3 years, it's been in a bear mode. It's been going down. But for some of us, we are so disciplined and diligent, and we believe in the project. So seeing it at this price, it's just like a giveaway. Ethereum 128. These are assets that were trading. Ethereum at 2017 to early 2018 was trading at $1,400. It's at 128 right now. Bitcoin got as high as 20,000 in 2017, early 2018. Now it's like a giveaway for this prices, guys. So that's all I have for you today. Please subscribe to my channel, The Great Shield Investing, and also click the like buttons, share these, and get familiar with what's coming. I really appreciate it. And for everybody out there with this pandemic going on, I say a prayer to you and your family. Keep safe, wash your hands, keep, establishing the social distancing policy, and we shall all get out of this. And at the end of the all, even though with this problem, we shall come out with a great and a positive experience at the end of it all, and also make money in a year to 2 years from now. So stay safe, guys, and God bless you. Bye. I can come out.